And today I said it is an optional class for those who would like to know web design. Web-based user interface design. Okay. Uh, Dr. George also touched upon user interface. I'm going to give you much more light on, just throw some light on user interface, uh, how to design a website or a web banner, and we will design a user interface for a mobile. Okay, how do we design? See, when we think of user interface, it involves programming. Many of us do not know programming because some of us only from computer science background, others are from non-computer science background. As designers, our job is to design the user interface. That's all. The programmers will code. Okay, you need not code it. Okay, we have to design it and give them, and they will make code. You'll have to get them what should I design. Okay, accordingly you can design. Now I will show you how to design a website, web banner, then we'll move on for a mobile screen user interface, right? Three things I'm going to do. And I appeal to you all to attend the evening session also. See, this is an optional session, so you can attend the evening session also. Am I clear to you? This session you have volunteered, but evening session also you must attend. Okay, I invite you all because evening session there are a lot of tricks going to be taught to you. So Tyagaraj, can you attend the evening session?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Right. Now I straight away share my screen. Is my screen visible? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Is my screen visible?
Yeah,
Yeah.
visible.
Fine.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Right now, look at here what I'm going to do. Look at here. New. I'm going to design a website, right? For a wide screen. For a wide screen. Right. New. Look at here. New. And from here, custom. I'm going to use web. Just click web. Am I clear to you? Once again, I shall tell you. Go to new file, new, and in preset, click here. Go to web. Click size and choose the size which is convenient for you, which maybe fits your screen. Okay, shall I choose this one? Shall I choose this one? Yeah, I have chosen this one. And the resolution, let it be as it is. Okay, let it be as it is. I just press OK. Now I get it. Am I clear to you? I get it. Now look at here. This is not quite wide screen. If you are not satisfied, you can go once again. Take a wide screen. For example, so look at here 1200 into 1024 and see something like that. See, okay, the same thing, but it is wider, a little wider, right? Now, what do? I'm going to design a website. What do you see on the top of the website? Tell me, what do you see on the top of the website? What do you see on the top of the website? It is called a web banner. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
want your answers. Am I audible to you? Look at, yeah, I just show you a website. St. Joseph's College. It's ACTNA. See, this is a St. Joseph's College website. Look at here. What is that on the top? This is called web banner. On the top, it is called as web banner. Any website for you go for that matter, top, no, that is called web banner. So you will have to create the web banner first, right? Okay, see, this is all designed by, see, I'm just clicking on the top and I'm going to give the two color gradient. I'm going to use gradient. I'm going to use the gradient color. See, look at here. I'm just using gradient. Am I clear to you? Right, gradient color. Right here at the bottom, I want it as it is. Okay. See, I have used on the top gradient color. Now I'm going to bring the logo of the college. Yeah, logo. I'm just getting that logo. Bring it inside. Sorry. See, it is quite bigger. So I'm just going to reduce it, reduce the logo. Okay. I'm reducing the size of the logo. Can we remove that white color? Is it possible to remove that white color? How is that? How is that?
Not equal to.
Yes, exactly. See, I have got it. Now, even then, I got a dot line, so I just delete that. Yeah. Now I got that logo. I wanted to reduce it to a small size. See, I have reduced it into a small size. Now I want to make a design. I want to make a design here. How do I make a design? See, you use your creativity. See, I'm using an ellipse. Sorry, I'm using an ellipse. Look at here. Am I clear? A simple design, right? Now I go to layer. I go to layer. 1 minute. Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Am I audible right now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Audible.
See, I just use gradient overlay and give a gradient. Maybe see, look at here, or the same color itself, or any color that will go along with that. Maybe I can go with this color, right? GV, I'm in class. Afterwards, I'll call you. It's in a class, pa. No problem. Am I audible to you, friends? Am I audible?
Okay.
Friends, am I audible?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Look at here. I am just bringing the layer 1 on the top. See, it's all up to your creativity. See, I have brought the logo here, right? Now, St. Joseph's College. St. Joseph's College Autonomous Tiruchirappalli. That's all. That's what I'm going to bring it here. I just type St. Joseph's College. I want to have left alignment. And the font that I would like to choose, maybe some nice fonts. I'm using this St. Joseph's College Autonomous. Increase the size of it. See, look at here. Considerably. Don't increase it too much. Okay. And Tiruchirappalli. 62002. Okay, Tamil Nadu, India, something like that. If you want to put, you can put it. Right now, I just want to tell you how to make the design. So I'm not concentrating the design aspect, excepting the general concept of user interface. Look at here. I've got this text here, right? I want to increase the size of St. Joseph's College alone. Okay, I've increased it. Now I want to have the color. Go to layer, layer style, color overlay. See, I can go for dark blue. So I've gone for dark blue, right? I've designed it. The top one, I've designed it. And I want to increase the space, little more space between St. Joseph's and Tiruchirappalli. What should I do? In the character palette, it is there no character palette. The line space can be increased. See, line. I have increased the line space. Ajay, is it being recorded, Ajay?
Yes,
Ajay?
sir. Recording.
Yeah, please. Thank you. Now I'm going to create the buttons at the bottom. See, for example, home. What are the link will be there? Home, about us, contact, our courses, something like that. No? Shall we design? Yes, we can design. So for that, I'm using rectangle tool. See, I'm using rectangle tool. See, I have given. I want to have the same, maybe some model. Maybe for example, I go to layer, layer style, color overlay. What color can we give? Maybe a light color, or maybe the same color is better, no?
Yes, sir.
Or else we can even go for the same type. See, I just choose this layer, layer style, gradient overlay. click over here and I choose this one. See? I press the same. Now I also press bevel and emboss. See, look at here. See, I can increase the depth. I can increase the depth and you can adjust the softness. Am I clear to you? It looks like a button, right? You can adjust the angle so that it appears, right? Okay. Now what do I do? I'm going to give the text here, text over here. This button is called home. Home. Okay. I just use the font. Please be cautious of the font. It should be elegant. Okay, right. I use home, color overlay. I just press blue color. Don't use too many colors. It won't be good, right? See, I just go with the same. See, I have selected both home and the rectangle box. See, I'm choosing one more. Next button. I'm choosing one more. And next button. Okay. So I have chosen 4 button totally, right? 4 link button. Maybe this one can be about us. About us. The third one may be departments. Departments. Fourth one may be contact us. Contact. That's all. Now this space is this white color. No, you can give any color or you can even leave it mild. Okay, you can even give colors. For example, I would like to give the mild rose color. Mild rose color, right? See, for example, I choose this white alone, then adjust here. Okay. Am I clear to you? So mild rose color is given, right? Okay, fine. Now what do? I have designed it. Now let us see this in the website. Okay, let us see this in the website. Now this circle, no, the ellipse that we have, I would like to give shadow. See, I'm just giving drop shadow, and see, I'm giving the size little more. See, so that it is embossed, little embossed like. Yeah, does it look like? Yes. Okay, see, I've done it. Now I go to file, save as, save for web. See, please make note of it. Save for web and device. You have to use save for web and device. Am I clear to you? I just click save for web and device. Please, that is the important part. Save for web and use, right? I just click save. Don't do anything. You can just press save. Right? Where do you want to save it? I want to save it as, save it in the desktop. See here, look at here. At the bottom, you have to name it. For example, this is website model. And see, you want to save it as GIF image or you want to have as HTML image. HTML. See, I just click HTML and images. Click over here, then automatically it will be saved as HTML file. Look at there. I go to the desktop. Look at here. See here, website model. Are you able to see this? Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
I just right click and open that and show you. Open with, yeah, Google. See here. Am I clear to you? Where does it open? It's open in
Google.
Sir, please repeat again.
two calls. That's why. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Am
Yes,
I
sir.
audible to you? Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, please repeat again.
Yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Please repeat again.
Yeah. See, look at here. I have saved that. See, until this, no? Until this, it's need not explain, right? File, go to file, save for web. Click save for web. Please note it down. Click save for web. 1 minute. People again and again. Click save for web and click save. Save here. Then this one comes. In the dialog box, click the name. For example, I just name it as Vimal. Okay. Then see here, there are save as type, no? You have to save it as HTML and images. You just press HTML and images. Am I clear to you? HTML and images. Click save. Then the website is saved. I go to desktop. I see where is Vimal, VIMAL. Do you see that? Do you see that on the top? My dear friends, do you see that on the top?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just open. See here, I have the file. So now, right now, we have designed a website, web page, the front page, and the other thing maybe will be programmed by the programmers. Okay, it is in the HTML format. It will be programmed by the programmers. Don't worry about it. Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you? Am I clear to you?
Yes, sir.
My dear friends, see, the design is done by us, but the further coding, when I click home, what should come? When I click about us, what should come? When I click department, what should come? When I click contact, what should come? All these things will be taken care by the programmers. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
For example, I will do a little thing. You need not learn it. Just to see, I'm just opening it in a notepad. Little part of programming. You need not learn it, no problem. I just open the same. I just open the same in notepad. There is a file called Vimal. It's here. I'm just opening. See here. All these things come under this image, right? So we can make modification if we can have text or something like that. We can have, and we can bring anything here. Am I clear? We can bring anything here. For example, in body, see, hi everyone. Hello everyone. How are you? Okay, right. I just save this. Now let us see. I have to save this as a HTML file. See, dot HTML. Okay, I have saved it. Now look at here. See here, hi, hello everyone. Do you get that? See, hello everyone. Do you get that at the bottom? So like this, you can design it and get it. One more thing that I will do it. Look at here. I'm going to make this image separately, home separately, about us separately, department separately, contact separately. How do you design it? See, there is a tool called a slice tool. Boys doing computer science, please note it carefully. This is for programming aspect I'm telling you. This is knife. See, slice tool. See, use that slice tool and select it. See, I am selecting it. Number 1. Okay, and select this second one. Number 2. And select the third one. And the fourth one. Okay, I have selected it. I have drawn a round and selected it. Just look at this. What is the name of the image? Please tell me what is the name of the image. Please tell me what is the name of the image. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Please. I want you to please respond, please. What is the name of this? What is the name of this? Yeah.
Home.
3, picture 3. And this is 5. This is 7. This is 9. Okay, I'm going to make this as a program. Right. Once again, I go to file, save for web. Click save for web. Click save for web. Press save, and HTML and images. So I'm just giving it as model web page. Model web page. I've just given it. I've saved it. Now I go back to that. See, I go model website, right? I'm going to open this in a notepad. I'm going to open this in a notepad for programming. See, I have so many, code for that. Right now, what do I do? Look at here. What is the name of the image bar? What is the first one? Home. What is the name of the image? Three. Yeah. Here, look at here. I've got image 3 here. Right. Here, I'm going to click it. Right. Look at here. A hyper reference, which means the link. I'm going to give the link. Okay. I'm going to give the link. A H reference. H reference means hyper reference. Only for computer science boys, this you need not bother. See, I'm just going to give it as www.sjcpni.edu, and I'm closing that here. A, see, I have closed it. Now look at here. A hyper reference, H reference, SRC. You have to give SRC. SRC is equal to www.sjctni.edu. I've given and I've closed A tag. Right. So I'm just going to save this. How do I save it? Save as, click save as, and save it as HTML, .html. .html, right? It should be saved as it is. Save. Okay, I've saved it. Now I'm just opening that. See, look at here. When I go here, I will have to get that. 1 minute. I will have to get that link. Once again, I shall go back and check it whether it is saved properly. A hyper reference. See, the spelling is wrong. Look at here. H reference REF. A hyper reference. H reference REF. It should be REF. Right? Okay. Now save as HTML. .html. Save it always .html, right? I've saved it. Now I go back. I press function F5. It will be updated. Again, it does not come out well. Now I go back to the programming once again. A H yeah, I've given it. Let me check. 1 minute. Let me check. I'm not getting that link.
So you can try
Yeah.
putting leaving space after A and
A
HREF.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let me. Yeah. Thank you. Let me check it now. Yeah, I've done it. Yeah, now it works. Yeah. A hyperreference, there's a space. Look at here. I brought a link here. When I click here, see, look at here. I will let it. I'm supposed to be taken to other website, but it doesn't work because look at here. The website name supposed to be proper. Now I'm just changing it as google.com. Right now, I just save it. 1 minute. .html. Save it. Function F5. Yes. We get the link, but we are not. We are unable to load it right now. 1 minute. I will just try it. Google. Yeah, I'm just copying from here. Let me check it. I put it. Try to copy and put it here as it is. Yes. Now it will work. I just save it. Go back. 1 minute.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not taking us to that page. Actually, it's supposed to work. I'm copying the same link for, look at here. I'm copying the same link for the next image. Look at here, number 4. Do we have the 4th image? No, actually the 5th image is ours. So I just give it here. Let me check it. I have given it here. So this is not for, don't worry about programming. Please do not worry about programming. Okay, our part is to design, right? Our part is to design. Programming will be taken care by others, right? I go back. See, right now I brought link. 1 minute. See, there are minute changes have to be done. I have to place this hyperreference here. I have cut it and I have placed it here, and I have to give this here. Yes. Yeah, see, I've got it. Am I clear? See, the link has been generated. For department, it has not been generated. Okay. What should I do to create a link? I have to just put for image. What is that? See, look at here. It is 7 and 9. So accordingly, you'll have to place that link, then it will work. Okay. My dear friends, now let me tell you clearly. Now the design aspect alone is ours. Other things can be taken care by the programmers. Okay, so you concentrate on the design aspect of a website with regard to the buttons or the images that you need to design minute with some stylish design that look and feel should be good. So use your creativity. So I'm going to give you an assignment based on this. I want you to create a web page. That's all. Just create it and upload it as an image. I want to have it as an image. Okay, not necessarily be HTML file. I just want to have it as an image. Okay, just upload it today. Am I clear? Now, any clarification with this? I want you to come out with your clarification. Any clarification? Any clarification? Ignatius sir, I will maybe help you maybe later. Any clarification? Have you got it? So can you design a website on your own? Can you design a website on your own? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Can you design? You can make use of the video and design a beautiful web page. Okay, try. And if you know a little bit of HTML, you can work with the links and you can work with the other aspects of website. But let us not bother. Ours is to design and give, and they the job of the programmers is to code it, right? We shall move for mobile programming. Before that, sometimes they will ask you to design the web banner. What is the difference between web page and web banner? Web page is the full page. Web banner is the top one alone, the top one. Okay. Generally, what is the size of the web banner? Look at here. See that this one, no, top till here. This is called web banner. Okay. Website is entire page. Entire page is website. Entire page is website. So now I just search for the size. Web banner. Look at here, the size of the web banner. Full web banner, see leaderboard. See, there are so many web banners. See, this one is for bigger one. full banner is 468 into 60. It should be in pixel. Make it as 468. 468 and the height is 60. Okay. Just keep this as it is. 1 minute. Somebody has come. See, I've got it. Look at here, this one. So I have to design this. 1 minute. Right. Now shall we design it? Look at here. I'm going to give a gradient color, maybe a gradient color or pattern. You can also give pattern, or you can give your own designs, like maybe look at here. I'm just going to give my own design. And now I just I have drawn a rectangle. Okay, I'm using gradient color here. I've used gradient color. Now I put Control T. When I put Control T on the top, you see this one. See, just for a design. Look at here. Why don't we go for a design like this? Yes. See, I've got it. Now a simple one, right? If you want to make it a little, see, I want to have this and I want to take one more on the top. I've taken one more on the top. Right now I go to Google, layer, color overlay, and go for darker color. See, some darker color. Look at here. Okay, am I clear? Right. Right now, what I do, I am going to take up the logo here. See, the same logo I am going to take up. I'm bringing it here. I just want to bring it to front, so I just the size, the size that we have chosen is not that great. So you will have to please choose the size properly. 1 minute. I go back and do it again. For example, I just go for web. See, I just click web. 1200, 1600. The width supposed to be 1600, and the height can be, instead of 1200, I can go for maybe 300. I just click 300, right? Now look at here. I'll get considerable size, right? From here, I just go use any color, maybe the green color that I choose this time. See, I've chosen it. Now I want to have a design here. Now look at here, I just go for polygon. See here, polygon design. See, you can put it like this. You can increase the size of it. Okay. Now I want to go for some other color here. Color overlay. Maybe a darker green. Am I clear? And now look at here. I'm going to bring this logo here. Take the logo, bring it here. See, I brought the logo here. Am I clear? I brought the logo here, and I can adjust the size also. See, by pressing Control T, when you press here, you can adjust the size of it. I'm going to teach you that today in the evening. Don't worry. See, I brought it. Now here I will have to type St. Joseph's College. I'm just copying the same here, just want of time. That's all. The web banner is ready. So you please use your creativity. Use your creativity to fully bring it. Now I change the color. The green doesn't suit properly. So I just go for changing the color into light blue. Yeah. Okay, I can even go for drop shadow and make it little highlighted. See, it is highlighted. Now look at here, it looks different. Am I clear? So this is called web banner, right? Web banner to be used on the top. Am I clear? On the top, right? Now, any clarification with the web banner and website design? Please tell me. So while you save it, it has to be saved as HTML and image. HTML and image, don't forget. Or if the programmer wants it by JPG file or GIF image, generally it is saved as GIF image. Once again, I shall show you. I go back, right click, save for web. Click save for web. Click here. You will have to do that process. Okay, save for web. And see here, save. When you click save, you have got GIF image, only GIF, GIF. So you will have to use it as GIF image, web banner. I have saved it as a GIF image. Look at here. Look at that banner. Are you able to see that banner? I'm just opening that. This is the banner that we have designed. This is actually a GIF image, a light image without reducing the quality of the picture. See, the quality will not be reduced, but it is a light image, right? Light size. So that in websites, it will be very useful. It should be light. If it is heavy, the loading time will be long. You know, some websites, you know, opening will take long time. You know why? Because of the heaviness of the image size, right? Okay. Now, have you got it, my dear friends? Have you all got it? Have you all got it, my dear friends? Now we shall go for the user interface design for a mobile. Okay, a login page design. As usually, as I told you, for web design, it has to be, see, you need to concentrate only the design aspect. Programming will be done by the programmers of the company. The role of graphic designer is to design, it's a concentrate in the design aspect of user interface. Now I'm going to design mobile-based user interface for login page. I just open. Can anyone tell me the size of a mobile? Can anyone tell me the size of a mobile? Anyone? Any size? Can anyone? Can anyone give me the size of the mobile?
16:9.
Sister, madam?
16:9.
No, mobile screen size. Mobile screen size. Can you give me a size of the mobile screen? In
6
inches.
inch.
In inches.
6
So
inch.
normally, what is that?
6
to
inch.
7 inches.
6 into 8. Oh my God, all of you are using your mobile or not? See, what is the size? What is the size of a mobile screen?
6 cross 2.5.
6 cross
6 to
2.5.
7
Yes.
inches. Sir.
7. Madam, are you using 7-inch mobile? Then it is
No,
not
sir.
mobile, madam. Maximum only 6
6.9,
only.
6.8 only having, no, sir.
Okay. So I go for 6 and 2.5, right? See, I just go use a 6, 2.5 into 6. Okay. And I just give us 100, right? All the other things, you know. I just click OK. See, this is the screen. You will have to give it exact size. See, this is even not proper size. I just go back and find out. See, this is not even correct size. I go back to mobile. My screen. See, all of you should know it. Mobile screen size in pixels. And I just do it in pixels, right? See here, look at here. Samsung Galaxy and other mobiles. Look at here, 1+1. See, it is 1080 into 1920. So I'm just going to design it. Please make note of it. 1080 into 1920. So it will fit in for any mobile, right? Just go. Okay, mobile and devices. 1000, what is the size? 1000 with this 1080 into height is 1920. 1920. I'm sorry. 1920 The resolution is, I just keep it as 100. Okay. Just give, okay. Yeah, this is the size. This is the exact size for mobile. Okay. Please make note of it, my dear friends. Am I clear? Once again, I shall tell you, please make note of the size. It is 1080 into 1920. If you do not know your mobile size, please take it from the internet. Yeah. Now I go back. Look at here. Now what do? I just take up a round. Look at here. I just take up a ellipse. Sorry. Clear? See, I can adjust it as I want. Okay, I can adjust it as I want, right? Okay, now what do? I just go with colors, layer, color overlay, and give some nice colors. Okay. You can even go for gradient color also. See, for example, a layer gradient. I can go for this gradient color too. See, I've chosen the color. See, angle also can be chosen. So I have chosen angle. So I want to have a radial. See, and I want to have this inner and this is outer. See, okay. See, I have it. Now I just name it as login. Here I just name it as login. Right? The color sizes maybe blue, dark blue. See, I have kept it here, login. Right? Now, at the bottom, I have to give some nice color. Okay. I have given it. Now I want to go for user. Okay, username. Yeah, I go with some other font. Yeah. Username. I want it in small letter, not a capital letter. Simple. Use a simple font. Username on the top here, and I want to draw a rectangle box here. Look at here at the bottom. You can even have the grid lines, right? Keep the grid lines here so that you'll be able to put it here somewhere near. Right. A user interface. I want to have this in white color, not the black color. Okay, it should be in white color. But if we give it in white color, what will happen? It will not be seen. So I just give, see here, I just give maybe shadow. Reduce the opacity. I have given the shadow. Right here, they will enter the username. And same I am copying. Password, right? Okay, fine. Now why don't we put a symbol here, username and password symbol. I go to website and take up that symbol. username symbol icon. Okay, you can use any of these icons, right? Shall I use this icon? So I just copy this image, copy and bring it here. I'm sorry. Reduce it to small size. Even put it within another, maybe little more smaller size. Right. And password. Password icon. I would like to use this. I just copy. You can even use color image, right? You can even use color image if you want. So it not got it properly. So I just choose copy, go back, reduce the size, brought it here. I just brought it and keep it here. Okay. So I can increase little more. Yeah. So I've got it. Okay. And I can give a button here. The button can be login. Okay. Simple button. And I have the on the top, no? There is a layer. I don't see the layers. So I just go click layers. Yeah. Right now, see here, I just take this shape one on the top, copy layer style and paste it here. For this shape also I'm pasting. Or you can go here and change it. Layer, gradient overlay, change it. The angle has to be proper. See the angle. Adjust the angle, you'll get it. Yeah, I have pressed it. Now the same login, I just copy it and put it here. Bring it front. Keep it a small letter. Don't keep in a bigger letter. Small one. Okay, you can keep it here. Or you can also keep it like this. For example, sign up using. You can even give forget password. So forgot password. You can also keep it here. Forgot password. You can keep it here, or you can even keep it here. I just adjust this. After entering, and here the forget password. Okay. I want to bring it down entirely. Now I have to put it as sign up using Google or something like that. Maybe sign up using. So I can bring the icons here at the bottom. Sign up using and the icons. All the icons can be brought here. For example, maybe you Google icon. So I just click copy image. Go back to Photoshop. I've got the icon. Reduce the size. Google. Facebook. If you want to go for Facebook also, you can go. Facebook icon. People go for alternative login, no? That's why. Copy. Reduce the size. And arrange it. Just always check it with grid lines, right? Look at here. Yeah. Am I clear? So now the simple design, user interface design for mobile screen is ready. See, I've got it. Now you can even adjust it little bit. Adjust it little bit. Okay. You can even bring it at the bottom here. One more one at the bottom. See, simple. Am I clear? Am I clear? That's all. Maybe with this white color, you can even go for some color if you want. You can go. This looks a little better, and this is enough. This is a simple user interface design. So how do you save it? Go to File, Save for web and devices. Click here, and press here. Save. Always image only. GIF. You have to save it as GIF image, right? There you just type it as maybe mobile interface. Mobile interface. If you know a little bit of Java, if you know a little bit of XML, you'll be able to make the design for Android or for even iPhone designs, right? I just open this and show you. See here. See the user interface design. Am I clear to you? See, the design is ready for a mobile. Okay, right. Now, would you like to have any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification?
No, sir.
Aaron, thanks for the code. Thank you. You just use it. See, my dear friends, once again, I shall tell you, the code supposed to be taken care by the programmer. If you are a student of computer science, please try to code your web page that you have designed. Okay. So right now, I want you to design a website and a mobile interface on your own with your own design. Just for login page will do for time being. And you will have to listen to the customer or listen to the programmer, and based on his requirement, based on the requirement of the programmer or the customer, you will have to design the screenshot and give them. Am I clear? So after designing, they will make it whatever program that they want to do it, and they at their own convenience they can make it. But they will tell you they maybe most of the images should be in GIF file. GIF file. If they ask you for web and design in HTML, you save it in HTML for websites, right? And give them. They will be able to make designs over it. I mean, program over it. Any clarification? Any clarification? Any clarification? See, I'm waiting for your clarification. Come on.